Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are resetting two areas that are so easy to get out of control: under my kitchen sink and my seasoning drawer. These areas are those everyday areas that we use, and they are slowly but surely getting messy. I will be creating systems that actually work for everyday life. I know sometimes you're in the kitchen and we are rushing and things actually spill, they get out of hand, or seasoning drawers are there and we don't refill the bottles. Trust me, I know I am guilty. So I'll be resetting them because it's time one, and I'll be creating a system that actually works real life and makes sense. Of course, I will have everything linked for you in the description box, and I hope you find this video very helpful. If you have any questions, please remember to leave me a comment in the comments. I love to read your comments. Let's get into this video. Oh, by the way, do not judge, okay? Because this is actually really messy. Let's go. First things first, once you are resetting an area, you have to remove everything and clean. I mean, you are going to sweep that area and you're also going to wipe that area down. Thank you, God, for my mom. I pray for this lady every day. She is so helpful and I don't know where I'd be without her. Now, listen, my mom is going to clean every single area, even if we are not touching on that area today. So I'm removing all the baskets. I'm ensuring that these systems that I have, they are actually gonna work. So I got these storage boxes from Walmart. I will have everything linked down below for you. They are also on Amazon as well. And I decided to use these ones because one, you can see exactly what's in it, and two, space. I didn't want the area to feel cluttered again, and I got to take out a lot of items that I'm not using. So each drawer is gonna be labeled, and I will also link the labels for you all. I got them from Amazon. It's a ton of labels and it makes your life so much easier. It looks good, but it's actually real life. Here you go. I love using these labels. I have them for my seasoning jars, I have them for my laundry room, I have them for my kitchen. It makes sense. I needed a larger unit under the kitchen sink, and I decided to go in with this Dollar Tree basket. And as you can see, I am putting all the larger items in there, and then I'm just going in with these storage boxes. So I have my dishwasher pods, I have my brushes, I have my microfiber rags, I have my scents, I have my gloves. Everything that I use on a daily basis is in this section right here. I even took it up a notch and even got one of the storage containers for my trash bags. Now, my trash bags come on a roll and I love that, but I was happy when I saw this. I'm like, okay, this actually makes sense. It looks good and it will keep everything just looking neat and in place. Comment below and let me know what you all think about this transformation. I think it is very functional. You don't need a lot for it to make sense, and this is exactly what under this area is looking like. Now, I know everyone's home is different. Everyone under the kitchen sink is different. The piping is different. The electrical is different. So make it make sense. you can grab these storage boxes, and there's so many other items that you can use. Oh my God, let's get into messy area 101, the spice jar. Oh, horrible. Let's go ahead and refill these spice jars. Now, my mom and I went to Walmart and we did stock up on more seasonings. And I go in ever so often and refill these jars, but it's been a while since I took everything out of the drawer, clean it completely, and refill everything. The space feels so much cleaner and everything just actually makes sense. I didn't have a drawer liner in this drawer prior to this, but I decided to add some in the drawer now. Now, the tray that the spice jars are on, it does move here or there in the drawer a bit and it can get messy. So I decided to add this drawer liner just so everything can stay in its place. These racks are from Amazon and I've had them since 2022, as well as my spice jars. So they have been doing the job. Now, as I said, everything will be linked in the description box for you. And if by chance I do miss anything, please go ahead and leave it in the comment section for me. Now, if you don't know, now you know I am Jamaican and we use a lot of seasoning, the good ones. Isn't this neat and so clean? So this is how my seasoning drawer turned out. Absolutely so clean. Love it. No, there's no spills, no messes, nothing slipping and sliding around. Everything, it's in its space and it makes sense. Now, I did miss a few items, so I'm gonna have to go back and grab just a few more seasonings. I also have this little thing in the corner with some toothpicks, and I'm so happy that I went ahead and added the drawer liners so nothing is slipping and sliding on in there. Love these little jars from Amazon. I'll have everything linked below for you all. We are at the end of the video, and I will see you all in the next one. Until next time, stay safe. Bye.